welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing my latest planner hauls with you guys. So first up is an order from Cloth and Paper. I think I shared this order in my last video, or at least I mentioned it, I should say. So it is a very small order, but I'm very excited for it. So let's open it up. Alright, so I ordered a set of the clear adhesive pockets. I think I want to put these in my pocket agenda to store my debit cards. I also ordered the CEO side tab planner dividers. These are the glass plastic and black foil for my HP Mini. So I am going to put this in my content planner, and so I've already set up the tabs with these blank tabs, and so I'm just switching them out with these. These were just a temporary setup while I waited on these to come in, so we're going to switch them out. I'm gonna have a separate video on this official setup now that I have these tabs, and once I figure out what I want where. And then now for my pockets. So here is my Louis Vuitton small ring agenda, and so I'm using this as a wallet, and these three top tabs are divided by my checking accounts. And so if you haven't seen my setup video, I'll have it linked below. But I use these budget trackers from Infinite Lotus to track my spending in each of these accounts. So I have a personal spending account, a personal bills account that all my bills come out of, and then a joint account with my fiance where our joint bills come out of, like utilities, housing, Premier, groceries, etc. And so I was thinking of putting one pocket on my spending account so I can keep my debit card that I use for spending on here, and then one on my joint so I can keep my joint debit card with my fiance on there, just because I'm so limited on space over here, and I like the idea of having the cards on the tabs. So I'm gonna put these on the tab, and I'm not sure if I want to do inside or outside. I feel like I should do inside because I don't want to ruin the glass. So we're just gonna put this right here. Then do the same with this account. And then that's just going to store my cards. And then I have room over here to put like my credit card and I don't remember what else I planned on putting in over there, but that way I can store those two cards there. So we have that. And then that is everything for the Cloth and Paper order. All right, and then next up is actually a PR package from Papery Plan. So Genevieve reached out to me and asked if I would like to receive a few samples. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys and try out her shop. I've been meaning to check out her shop just because I've seen all of her stickers everywhere, all over Instagram. And there's just so many, and I feel like y'all can relate to this, but I just feel like there's so many like great shops and you just never get around to checking them out. So I'm really excited to try out her stickers. So let's open this up. We have a thank you card, and then this planner card that looks like it would also fit in a pocket. So if you want to punch this and put it in your pocket, you could do that. And then we have our stickers. Okay, so the first sticker is the Cafe Olay check marks. The creme arrows. Transparent blank arrows, which I really like these because these are great to bullet and list. And then you have numbers in cocoa. And then we have some drops. So there's a few drops. So we have the creme and the nude. And I just absolutely love this color palette. And actually, I just love all of these stickers. They're very pretty. After that, we have these gorgeous Cafe Olay monthly stickers. And I don't know where I'm going to put these, but I'm really excited to use these. There's also just the blank ones. And then there's the champagne that match the numbers that just have like a little highlighter mark on them. And then we have mini transparent dots. So these are the rose clay. There's also a champagne and cocoa. So again, I just love this palette. I'm really excited to use these in my pocket because these look like they're perfect for a pocket size or the HP mini planners since they're so small. After that, we have the Amore Sepia, and then the Cafe au lait, and then the Nude, and these are the medium transparent dots. And again, I just really love all of these colors. They're absolutely beautiful. And then we're back at the beginning. So she sent so many stickers. I'm just going to ban all these out just because there's so many. And I just want y'all to look at this color scheme because everything is so beautiful. Okay, so again, I really want to thank Genevieve for sending these. These are beautiful. I highly recommend her shop. I'm really excited to use these in my planners, especially these monthlies and these mini dots. But yeah, that's everything from Papery Planning. All right, y'all, and then next up is an order from the planner spot. So in my last planner haul video, I mentioned how I needed to grab a couple of more icons, so I got all of those. And then I also got some more decorative sticker sheets. So in here we have the food sampler. So I think in my last video I just got the ramen one and I meant to get the entire sampler. So here is the sampler, and so you have sushi, tacos, pizza, and then burgers. And then I also ordered the chore sampler, saver recycle bin, a mop, lawnmower, hammer, then organizer bins, which I should have got probably a full sheet of these because I'm probably gonna run out of these quickly, but we grabbed those. And then I grabbed another Icons bill sampler, and then I also just got the houses from the sampler. So on any of these samplers from the planner spot, you can get a full sheet of any of these icons that you want. I got the house just so I can keep track of different things that are going on, and that way I just have a little icon for household tasks. So those are all the icons that I purchased. And then we have some decorative stickers. So I purchased the February Love Story sheet A and then sheet E, and I just really like these. I'm going to use these in my Erin Condren horizontal planner that I just got, so I grabbed one just so I could do some memory keeping, and I figured these would be perfect in there. And then I also ordered the March sheet A. So I did subscribe to the Planner Spot subscription kits last year. I'm not going to subscribe just because I don't like every single sheet, which is why I only grabbed a few of these. So for me, it works out better just to get the stickers that I want. But yeah, other than that, that is everything that I got in my order from the Planner Spot. All right, y'all, and then next up is another order. So this is essentially from Cloth and Paper. However, it is their collaboration with, I want to make sure I get her name right, Ashley Jones Hatcher. So they no longer have this collection on the Cloth and Paper website, but on the Ashley Jones Hatcher website, she actually has this full collection available, and this is their organization collection. So I'm just going to open this up so y'all can see it. Okay, so this collection comes with a lot of organizational tools, and I'm very excited for this. So first item is the dark gray Le Pen. There's also a gray bubble pouch so that you can store everything inside. And it looks like there's a few planner cards in here as well with a cute little holder for them. So you have a simplify and then a minimize planner card. And I'm actually gonna keep them in this pouch, and then we're gonna put everything in here as I open things up. But after that, one of the main reasons I wanted this collection is this to-do list pad, and it looks like it comes with a planner card, or a key actually. And so this is a perfect to-do list. You can write everything that you want to organize, you can categorize, and I actually think I'm gonna put this in my work planner because I really like this little key. But here's the card, and then here is the notepad. And then you can buy the notepad separately on her website. After that, you have the set of organizing sticky notes. So as you don't know if you've been following my channel recently, I have been in an organization mode and been cleaning everything. So I was really excited for this, especially for spring cleaning. So on here you have these sticky notes, so you can do keep, donate, and toss. So you can label different bins, you can label bags, and you can use these and save a set of each. So I'm really excited for these. And then I believe these are the journaling cards, and they're on this cute little clip, and it just has cute little quotes. And I really love this collection. Of course, it's about organization, so of course I love it, but I just think this is a really nice collection. But after that, we have the two notebooks. So I believe this is the Simplify and Minimize Planner inserts, but it's in a little notebook. Yeah. And so in here you have everything broken down by room. So it has how to use, questions to consider, and then a key. And then you can break down everything that you need for everyday essentials, prep, kitchen tools. So if you need something, you can write that in there. If you want to get rid of something, buy something new, which is what I've been doing. It has a list of everything and then blank spots too, so you can list additional items. So there's also a section for wardrobe. There's a section for notes that you can also use for like a vision board if you want to just create a vision of what you want your kitchen or your wardrobe to look like. And behind wardrobe, you have a donations area too, so that's actually really nice. So you can write down the date and then save any receipts in here. And then you can also list out by quantity and category. Double the notes. And then there is a strategy section. More notes. More notes. And I think the rest is probably just notes. Yeah, so the rest is just notes. Okay, so we have that. And then the last item in this collection is the daily organizing notebook. And so this just has dot grid and then the daily pages. So again, really excited for this because this is the archived daily insert style, which I absolutely love from Cloth and Paper. I just think it's a really cute notebook, and you just get a full little notebook of this. You can use this to break down the days that you are organizing everything, figure out how long, manage your time more efficiently if you want to, do different things throughout the day, or if you're having maybe like a yard sale or something, plan that out, including priorities, to-do lists of things to do if you're selling stuff online, opening up like a window of when you want people to come pick stuff up, different things like that. So that is everything in this collection. And again, I just love it and I'm really excited to use this. After that, we have a collection from Sequins and Paper that I'm very excited about. So this was a limited edition collection, and it is the self-care collection. So she calls it a self-love university, and she has a little letter. You have some little paper clips up top, and then you have everything that comes in this collection. So inside of here, you get the self-care menu planner card, and it's just a bucket list to remind you of ways that you can care for yourself. The golden heart paper clips, which are up here. This is a Purple Fox Wax Co. lip balm. You also have the Top Paper Co. collab. So there is a new Nude Confidence sticker sheet, and then decorative stickers, which are absolutely beautiful. I wish they had just these available because I would get like 30 of them because they're just a really cute set of stickers. It also comes with the marshmallow page flags that you can get on the Top Paper Co. website. And then after that is the Self-Love University Planner card set. I just love the color scheme and the colors that they use throughout all of these planner cards and the stickers. So here are the planner cards. Alright, so these are all the planner cards. And then you also get the frosted journaling card in addition to the pouch that y'all saw. And then that is everything in this collection. Next up is actually an Etsy find. So I found this really cute pocket holder with the LV monogram on it, and I just thought it'd be a really cute addition to my pocket, and that way I can store like cash and coins since I do use it as my wallet. And then if y'all remember, I'm using my phone to record, but I got a matching phone case as well, and I'll have that linked below as well. And so I just like that it matches that. But let me pull my cash out, and we're just gonna add this up front. Here is how the pocket looks in here, and then it just slides open, and let's put my cash in here. And so now it can be a fully functioning wallet, and I can actually hold stuff. I can also put, you know, like coupons or anything in here that I want to just store and take with me on the go. But we have that, and then the shop is Itty Bitty Creations, but again, I'll have it linked below to make it easier. But we have that. All right, and then last two items that I want to share in this video, because they are kind of planner related, is the acrylic easel and pencil block from Target from Russell and Hazel. So Russell and Hazel has an entire Target collection, and it's only in a few stores, but they are all online. I'll have it, of course, linked below, but I'm very excited for these. So I'm going to open these up and show y'all them. All right, so this is the acrylic pencil block, and so I really like this because it also has a stand, so you can put a notebook here, you can put your phone here, you can put a planner here. There's just so many options. You can also just put like notepads and sticky notes, and then you can obviously put your pens in there. So I always love extra storage, especially when it's in the acrylic type. So I wanted to pick this up. I think these are both either $20 or below $20. I think one was $20 and one was $17 if I remember right. So we have this, and then we also have the acrylic easel. So these come with these two little holders, and then there's 3 dots here so that you can put them in, and you can adjust the size, whatever you want to hold. So this is really nice if you want to put multiple planners on here, if you want to like angle, let me grab my notebook. Like if you want to angle something, you can. So like this, for example, it's at an angle. But if I just want to put it down, then I can put it over here, and then it's just straight up and it's being held. So you can also, you know, put multiple items on here to hold. So I really like this feature in that it's adjustable, so you can use it to fit your needs. So I really loved these two. These two are probably my favorite pieces in the collection, which is why, you know, I bought them. But these are available at Target, select stores, but for sure online. And then, yeah, other than that, that is everything. That is all of my recent orders. And that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.